Selling your home can feel like an overwhelming task. How do you even know if it's the right time, to put your home on the market so buyers can come and view your home and potentially put in an offer? Don't worry, because I got you covered today, all right? In this video today, I'm going to go over the 5 steps that you want to do to prepare your home for sale, boost its value, right, and attract serious and even multiple offers on your home, okay? So stick around to the end, because step number 5 is actually where people lack the most. And if you stick around to the end, I'll show you how you can get my free pre-listing checklist so you can check all the boxes and your home can go for max value, all right? So stick around, let's go. Hey, what's up? It's your boy Marlon here with my team, and I'm here to be your local guide on all things Chicago, all right? So if you're in the market or you're thinking about buying or selling the home, make sure you subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market here in Chicago. But all right, let's not waste no time, right? Let's get right into it, right? We're going over the 5 steps to prepare your home for sale, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it right away, okay? So step number 1 is going to be declutter, okay? First thing you want to do, if you're thinking about selling your home, you need to get it ready to go on the market. You want to declutter your home. Why do you want to do this? You want to do this because when potential buyers show up to go view your home, they are trying to envision what it would look like if they lived in the home, right? And it's kind of hard to envision, what it would look like if they're constantly looking at your stuff everywhere, right? If the home is too cluttered, it's going to be a huge turnoff for the buyers, right? So the first thing you want to do is you want to clean out your storage spaces, clean out the closets. You want to declutter your home completely, okay? That's the first step you want to do. Step number 2 is go ahead and start cleaning up. That's the second thing you want to do, is you want to clean all the surfaces. You want the house to be smelling fresh. You want the home to be as clean as possible, inside and outside, all right? We'll get to the outside, but right now we're focused on the inside. Clean it up in there, okay? Get a mop, clean those baseboards, clean the windows, shampoo the carpets, right? Do everything that you can do to make sure the house looks as good as it can look. You want it to look like something out of a magazine if you can make it that way, all right? I understand not everybody can make it that way, but if you can do it, get as close as you can to making it look as clean as possible, all right? Because why do you want to do this? Is because when buyers come in, if it's dirty in there, that's another turnoff, right? You want it to be as clean as possible so buyers can feel, like, oh my God, this house is so clean, it's so nice, I want to put an offer in, I want to buy it right now, okay? When it's dirty, buyers are, hesitant to, do things when they're inside. They don't want to touch things because they feel like they'll have to do a lot of cleaning as soon as they buy it, all right? So you want to make sure it's as clean as possible when they first come and look at it, right? So now moving on from that to step number 3 is repairs and maintenance, right? That's going to be step number 3. You're going to want to repair the home in any areas that can be repaired upon by yourself, right? Or you have to, go ahead and disclose these things in the seller's disclosures, okay? What I would do if I was you and I was thinking about selling my home, I would patch up anything that I can do myself, right? That includes, small holes in the walls. That includes leaky faucets or running toilets. That includes burnt out light fixtures, right? Replacing the bulbs and checking all the doors and door handles to make sure that they open and close smoothly, okay? So that's what I would do. If I was you, fix any cracks, that you see in the walls or anything like that, I would get on that ASAP, okay? Because if potential buyers go ahead and show up to your home and they see that there's a lot of, repairs that need to be done, then, that is a sort of a turnoff, and, there may be some negotiation in that contract, right, for you to either cover it or for you to go ahead and do it before they go ahead and close on the home. To go a step further, here's a pro tip. If you got the time, right, what I would do is if you have some funky colors going on in your house or in certain rooms, I would paint the rooms natural toned colors, okay? Get you some grays in there, some whites, some very natural colors, right? Maybe some browns right in there as well, right? Get you some natural colors, because what this is going to do is it's going to make your home look a lot more fresh, okay? And buyers like when the home looks fresh. All right, now step number 4 that you want to do is curb appeal. You want to go ahead and make a good and great first impression, okay? When buyers pull up and the realtor, pulls up to your home, you want your home to stand out from the outside first before your buyers even go inside. Why do you want to do this? Because again, first impressions are everything, right? You don't want to shake somebody's hand and it's looking, it's a weak handshake. You don't want to do that, right? You want to shake somebody's hand and it's firm. That way you're talking to a good individual, right? A stand-up guy, all right? Same thing with the home. If it looks good on the outside, then more likely it's gonna look good on the inside, okay? What you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and mow the lawn, right? You wanna trim the bushes, right? You wanna go ahead and power wash the exterior if you can, okay? You wanna plant some flowers to make it look good on the outside. Those are some things that you can do to go ahead and help the curb appeal rating of your home, okay? Because buyers like it when their home looks good on the outside. If you got the time, go ahead and fix up that mailbox. Okay, maybe switch up the numbers, get you some new numbers on your home, right, for the address. Okay, so that also helps with your curb appeal. For now, the last step that you want to go ahead and do to go ahead and prepare your home for sale, that's going to be staging the interior. So this does not mean that you have to go out and replace all of your furniture with new furniture. No, not necessarily. What you want to do when you're staging your home for showings and viewings from potential buyers is you just want to make sure that your home is clean, it's organized, and that there is room for people to walk and flow through the home in the right direction. You want the countertops to be clear. You want the table to be clear. Get you a nice centerpiece as well on the table. That's what you want to do, right? You want to move the furniture in a certain way that it is conducive for the buyers to walk through and feel like, this is a nicely spaced out home. Make it look or feel as big as it can be, okay? Don't lack in this area. Make sure there's good flow. Make sure the home does not feel congested inside. And I promise you, this is gonna boost the value of your home, and it's also gonna attract more serious offers to your home, okay? So those are going to be the 5 steps that you wanna go ahead and follow before you go ahead and list your home for sale, all right? If you like what I said and you're thinking about selling your home and you want my pre-listing checklist, right? What you can do is you can download it in the link below in the description, right? Go ahead and get that pre-listing checklist so you can go ahead and prepare your home to be sold and you can get the top dollar for it, okay? So I've even added an extra step in there that is optional, but if you do that last step in the pre-listing checklist, I promise you, right, you will be able to sell that home with the most complete confidence that any home seller has had, and you will already know that you'll be able to close before you even put the home on the market, all right? So that's what I'm gonna give to you for free, so go download that in the description below right now, right, so you can be prepared. But all right, I appreciate you for sticking around to the end of this video, and if you like this video, then go check out this one right here because it's gonna give you even more value. All right, but until next time, peace.